If you pinch your calculator and check your calendar, you go see say na 16 days remain to the 2015 Presido election when we say they don't put for March 28 inside this Obodo, Nigeria. So many things don't happen and people here don't stand at attention as we they enter the election day. So one thing when they cause plenty discussion are the issue of INEC card reader. Plenty people don't come out and talk say this card reader say the thing go eliminate wuru mago and 419 inside this our Obodo election. And some other people don't talk say card reader we never used before. If they call user now, say the thing be like saying a trial and error and say for this kind of election when they hot, so we no need experiment. On top of us see the hot today, we go look this matter and we check the advantages and the disadvantages. Then we go control our phone lines open, making you when they house chook mat for inside this matter and talk them as they be you for body. My name na Ezugo Chokwodi. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern the matter as in the heart.
Yes, good morning, Nigerians, and good morning, our beautiful and wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. As the hot don't come in a dominant again, and issue na program where they bring up issues, political issues, trending issues based on what they happen for our society before owner. And on today's matter, Chukwu don't launch them. Would they look inside? Would they look into the controversy ways around the PVC card reader matter? A lot of people don't look say look. Card reader. If you say this thing, you go need to do it. We still need to do small investigate to make sure say what you want to take vote. So say we need to ensure say it dey proper and it dey authentic. Anyway, we will know as we will take dissolve the issue and also give now space to also call in when that time reach to also chook mouth for the matter. My name is Nkubi and this now as the hot.
Una when dey for us, we join us on top of this discussion. We dey on top of Facebook. Go to the Wazobia fan page. If you see our thread on top, Chukma on top of there. We do on top of Twitter too, at TV as City Hot. And we get a website where if you send us email to at cityhot@wazobiatv.tv. We knock now with plenty telephone lines. If you never save them and share them with your friends them. And we also get a toll-free line. What is a toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go they pay. Unkubi, no time to waste time. Before we even discuss this card reader matter, you know, you get one thing happen for House of Senate yesterday when we say our senators, senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, you get one issue when we say, like say the thing they delay, but finally they tell Musiliu Obanikoro when we say the president of this country don't nominate as a minister for the kind of things when we say he don't do for the past when they don't see he nominate them and the senators they kind of say. Yes, take a bow because you are qualified for the job. Yeah, this is why the reason this matter. So you the verse, Abi, you know you appreciate the senators, the support man when they're competent enough for the job.
What did they nominate them for this time around?
You go to ask what they nominate them for this time around. And they tell you say our senators tell somebody when they're competent. Somebody when we say for in track record don't show say he know what they do. They tell us they take a bow. They ask me what they nominate them for. Now me say when you know newspaper full year you know read. They talk about Wazobia news. No for me. If you know happy, I know say na Babele they make
this
you.
This is the man where we say okay
like
fine. Waiting led to resignation in the first place. He won't contest. He say he won't vie for governorship.
Just like other people.
Okay, he can't come out. Okay, share that space. Nobody fit into that space. All this why? I mean, they just deliberately leave and say, okay, any of our people will lose for primary. We will take this down and fill them in. Be how? Is
there a crime for person to say, okay, he won't pursue political office in service of the people? He no can succeed. They got to say, go back to this position, go occupy it. Is it a crime? Is there for inside law for this country say, make them not nominate person when they qualify?
Let us also check it this way. So you know, if it's maybe, okay, you don't lose, make we take this and compensate.
Which compensate? He not be lose.
And apart from that, the portfolio they carry given, it's not a portfolio where we say, we you know about.
What you know about? The bomb person with portfolio.
Because sincerely,
the bomb person with portfolio.
For Obodo here, we just give out portfolio just based on based on sentiment, based on say, okay, you have done well for this political party, let us give you this portfolio. And the portfolio they even give, they say, our portfolios, they say, they don't even get idea of. Now, to just carry person, we say, we be farmer, can't say, may you can be Minister of Science and Technology. How does that
Who be farmer when they don't make Minister of Science and Technology?
I don't give example.
Not they give an example. If you want to talk, call names, mention, make Nigerians know.
Chukudi.
Not they give all this kind of example. Because all this kind of example now, it's tantamount to confusion.
All these things are just done to compensate their members.
How is it done to compensate? How is it done to compensate?
That's just it.
How is it done to compensate?
I don't want to talk
the one when he don't serve before, he serve well, I mean no serve well.
I don't know whether it serve well. For your
Let's talk about track record.
I don't know. For your own side, if it serve well.
Let's talk about service to the nation.
If it
what
serve
this
well,
man don't do?
Okay.
Now he make them
start mentioning them.
You say what?
Start mentioning.
He carried out he discharged his duties. Efficiently, he carried out his designated functions to the best of his ability.
Young man,
and everybody there happy with what he do.
English, now pidgin English station.
Jealousy, now he worry you.
No, say myself not speak the English. But because I say with this Wazobia station, let us just maintain that decorum. Make we speak to our viewers.
Decorum.
Don't get them confused.
Decorum when you mention now wait, not be English.
Forget that one. Let us speak within them go understand. Don't get them confused with your big English.
Don't get them confused when you talk now. Na Calabar, be na Efik.
Chukudi, I know they look with I talk. Now you. At least you stretch your own long English for a while. Like, let's say 30 seconds. Me, I just chip in. I chipped in mine.
So you are guilty of the same offense you are accusing me of?
I'm not guilty of anything.
You are guilty as charged.
You say big guilty as charged.
Oh, now English, now you speak, so this guilty as charged.
No, you say as guilty as charged. I can't say you said they guilty as charged.
So you are repeating what I'm saying.
Why won't I repeat it? Because you just accused me of it now.
Thank you. You don't speak English now. The whole full Nigeria don't hear you. See, our
let
elders
us move on.
Congratulate person when we say good happen to.
Okay, we congratulate Obanikoro, Muslim Obanikoro for the new portfolio they give you. I beg. Our own business, make sure say you represent them well, make you do it, make you carry out your function and the services where the people expect, make you carry out for that office, carry them out well. You know, pass like that.
Thank you very much. I just dey happy because this is not the second time this week when we say you come out, you wish person well.
Which one be the first one?
Thank you. The first one now when we carry woman come inside studio.
No.
On Tuesday. When you talk am here, say you because of the love when you get for women. Say every time when you go village for December, you dey block, you dey gather women together under mango tree. You dey do women empowerment.
Where I talk that one?
You no go remember.
I talk am for national TV.
You no go remember.
No, I talk am for national TV.
The record is there. You no go remember.
You see, that's not the lie.
Meanwhile,
make we enter into the matter of today. The issue is around permanent voters card. This thing, the authenticity of the PVC. Okay, Chukudi. INEC don't come and talk, say, look, say they don't carry out their own research, their own verification. Say the permanent card, the issues they surround them, say if they're authentic, say people are just, say the issues are not just, hold water at all.
How you go to say the issues no hold water?
Hold water.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I really appreciate say you talk calm today. You talk, I appreciate that. And I go answer you well. Because you start well, I go answer you well. First and foremost, Oga Presido don't come out, don't promise Nigeria, say, he go fight corruption using technology. The use of technology to fight corruption go eliminate the chances of people to do some kind of wuru-wuru and mago-mago. That's a very good one. Now, we don't see the relationship between our government.
Based on this now, who are the people who get the issue with this PVC now pass?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Because you don't mention now, say, Oga President say he won't take technology. Make sure say he fight corruption. I don't know the angle he won't bring the technology from. Okay, if you want to start the technology and fighting corruption, starting from this vote or one vote with the use of PVC, where we say, where they talk, say, look, say one man, one vote. Okay, more can also see him. Right now, the PVC don't they get issue. According from our own angle. Okay. Why not be same from our own angle, not initiate them?
Thank you
so
very
how
much.
come now they get issue over them now?
Thank you very much.
And now on fight corruption.
Thank you very much. Say you ask this kind of question. Now you dey talk say now we initiate them.
Yes.
That's a fallacious statement.
Okay, but still under the same government.
Thank you very much. Independent National Electoral Commission. Now if you dey cough, I beg. If you dey cough, I beg.
Instead of you to even kindly courtesy the man say, if somebody something the worry person, make say, sorry, take him easy. See what he wish me.
Why you dey cough the face? Why you dey cough the face me? Why you dey cough the face me?
It shows how heartless you are.
Why will you say I'm heartless?
It shows how wicked you are.
How will you say I'm wicked?
You don't want my own good.
When our government come out to fight Ebola, pursue Ebola, come out for this.
It's like make you even tell them, say, look, make them get me water. The only two if you just anyway, let's go.
You go mind yourself on top of this show.
Let's go.
You go mind yourself on top of this show. Because you all these communicable things when we say you transfer. Government don't build health center. Government don't build health center where people they go, they treat, they check medical checkup. Which day you go medical checkup last? You come here, they cough, they face me, they face me, they cough. Why you go face me, they cough? You know be cover man. They don't get strategy of coughing. Even this government don't show say health is wealth. Health is important.
I know they surprised.
You they cough, you face me, they cough.
I know they surprised.
You cough, they give me.
You know why I know they surprised? Because we did here yesterday when Madam Helen come say he get one man. It's na area he be. Area, they show himself, they show himself. Just they do it, they always they disturb neighborhood. Say he hear the voice of his mama. So I know they surprised if, and what he mentioned, he called his name Chukudi. So I know they surprised if that same thing don't they run in you, because it is a typical example of what they try to show me now. Say you be one kind rugged guy, they show. You see, and Chukudi, that's like Chukudi you. I know, in fact, nobody say, I know they refer to all Chukudi, but he own. Don't show, say he's a man of violence. Chukudi, let's go into the matter. No, see the top they go.
Thank you very much. This thing when you talk now, you go talk him again. When you go talk him again, back to the matter when they discuss. Oga President talk say, in one pursue corruption with technology. Nice one, very, very good.
Very good,
now,
okay.
INEC, after the 2011 elections, they discovered some kind of things. One, some people, when be Nigerian citizens, when get right to live anywhere for this country, they come out for their primary place of residence. Go where they come from. One, no be tell me, not the complete what I won't complete because.
Or probably work fi carry them go and that place.
No be work. Number one, out of fear that they run come out.
It happened the last time.
It happened for 2011 now.
Okay, it happened the last
for 2011
time.
now.
What was the percentage of people? The only thing where I know say people they normally.
You want to make a mention the youth corps members? You want to make a mention people who run come out from
that was dead. The okay, fine.
2009 we will tell you. It happened in 2011.
If they happen now, we understand. No, they bring the past. No, they give me an excuse because of
the last time we get general elections for this country. No, be 2011.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Now after 2011, INEC noticed some kind of things.
Why me no travel go Imo State? Go say because of fear of election. Say I they go and say why you no travel go Enugu your state?
What about people when relocate from one particular part of this country come back because then they fear say for this place when they're there now uncertainty they don't know what will happen if the election don't favor one person or the other, and we see it for 2011 because after some people lose election the thing turn violent. True or false? Who could be 10 Nigerians the truth? Thank you very much. You no go answer.
I no go answer.
Now one of the things where INEC you say okay, if you dey come up for the place where you dey because of fear, fine, it's okay. If you dey come up for the place where you dey because of say your cultural lifestyle, your brother dey contest, you won't go show support, go vote for him to boost the number, fine. The issue of this card reader now so that if they accredit you anywhere for this country, just like ATM machine, you go fit vote for anywhere. Thank you. It's a good thing. Now make we come check. INEC come and tell us say we are ready for the election. Nkubi, the first election was supposed to be for this country, no be February 14. What will be today's date? People see they collect PVC, which is to show that.
Isn't that good for the country?
Oh, if they don't do the election for February 14, millions of Nigerians would have been.
Isn't that good for the country? Because it is good for the country on the ground. Say what? No, okay, fine. They don't. They shift the election based on issues.
See, as your voice don't they shake.
Hold on, let me talk now. Will you allow me talk?
You dey skip like CD. They shift. You go talk this through. The whole Nigeria go hear you.
Okay, they shift election. We understand. At least we see reasons why they shift election. Some are genuine. Some are not genuine at all.
Is PVC a genuine reason?
PVC to an extent might be a genuine reason.
Thank you.
But the issue of insecurity, it is not genuine
now,
to me.
Now PVC we talk about. If you go in,
the issue of insecurity is not genuine to me. Because now I put what my mind. That's why I need to make sure say I finish up this particular thing where you just asked me. Yes, issue of insecurity was not genuine to me.
What about PVC?
PVC, fine, we could understand.
You could understand.
If you understand.
Say PVC collection supposed end February 8th. Election supposed to go on February 14th.
Okay. Based on that, and based on the fact
they increase that to March 8th. Now they don't increase that to March 22.
Hold on.
Why are they
based
pushing
on the fact say
why are they
never
pushing
collect their PVC finish. That is why INEC know the chance to say, make we sensitize people, make we talk to people, make I go collect na PVC, make we use this opportune. Where they say they don't create as a result of insecurity matter and PVC. Take 10 more Nigeria say, look, me I go collect na PVC, me I go collect na PVC. So it is still not
Since
bad.
the return to democratic rule for 1999, this particular Independent National Electoral Commission now don't receive the most funds. Okay.
And from your own man, Chukudi, from your own man, you don't, on how many occasions come and talk, say, this same INEC, where they in power right now.
We collect plenty funds from the government.
Hold on.
Government release plenty funds
from them. Don't they credible, like in the history of the election for Nigeria.
Thank you.
From your own man, too.
Thank you.
How come are you not having issues with this INEC right now?
Thank you.
Tell me. You don't change mouth.
Unkubi.
You don't twist mouth, you don't change mouth. You go talk one today, you go talk another one tomorrow. Where you stand, make we know.
Unkubi.
Let us know where you stand.
Unkubi. After INEC come out for 2011, say they don't notice some kind of mistake for the election, and they get some new ways to use Komotam. Card reader and a new idea when they say they go bring, so that Wuru and Magoma no go there. But Unkubi, we see election for Ondo State. We see election for Edo State. We see election for Anambra. We see election for Ekiti. We see election for Osun. INEC no use card reader for 5 of these states. INEC no use card reader for 5 of these states. Now this election, now INEC comes to say they want to introduce card reader. About a week ago, just about a week ago, INEC conducts sample card reading.
When they talk say the record
for 12 states.
100%. Yeah,
for 12 states, they hear me now.
Okay.
12 states now they conduct this sample test with for this 12 states. What thing they can't discover? They can't discover say to register one person go take about 5 minutes. Because now new technology when they just bring, people never master and they never know how to use that. Even you, if I give you your ATM, you go fit press. If I give you POS, you go fit press. But you fit use card reader.
See,
I don't enlighten Nigerians about card reader.
Our government,
what do you know about card reader?
Now he talks to Mr. President say he wants something, he wants advancement, he wants technology, make them bring in technology for a lot of things where they take place for. So that to go fit they take and curb corruption and a whole lot of other stuff. Okay, right now, they don't bring in technology for voters' issue. So why are you having issues with it? Okay, fine. You know also occur to you say, okay, this is the way they just introduced. They somehow, if you know to go well for this first time, who the user.
Thank you very much. So you want to use something when no go well for this first time election when they hold like this.
Let me from your own mouth.
At the end of the day, if somebody come with election, we not go talk say they do. Nigerians, can you see? The president wants free and fair
calling
election.
Nigerians, asking them, can you see?
I will call Nigerians.
Don't tell them, can you see?
I will call Nigerians.
Because no matter how far you go talk, you know what will change the minds of Nigerians. Nigerians will still remain waiting they be waiting. People go do what they want to go still do one.
Our people when they for us, we go rush, enter this break. When we come back, we'll continue this card reader discussion as it dey hot. We dey come back. No, they ever command me say me I not call Nigeria. What? Welcome back to As It Dey Hot, the Ogbonge politics discussion show on top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from 10 to 11, we dey carry topic when they come out smoke as it take concern you when be Nigerian person, and we give you the opportunity to chook mouth for the matter and talk am as it dey be. We dey count down to the election when they come on the 28th of March and 11th of April, and wetin we dey discuss na the card reader issue. Some political parties and plenty people don come and talk say, this thing wey they wan do so, it is tantamount to trial and error. Say not before this kind of election when they hot like this, they go use card reader. Because if the thing no come favor some people, if it turn trouble. Other people they talk say, since Oga President don't talk say, in one fight corruption with technology, make we begin to use card reader. Ezuku Chuku de Anunku be there inside studio, and at the matter we dey discuss as it dey hot.
So back to the card reader matter. This card reader.
Before which back you want go? No. Before which back you want go?
Hold on.
You the thoughts I know they remember
because
things.
At some point, at some couple of them, we don't deviate from the
now
issue.
You deviate. Speak for yourself.
You are a man of controversy. I don't understand you better now. You're a man of controversy, and you always feel say if they cry out to Nigerians, say so they have get feeling for you. Anyway, that's by the way. So still on this same.
Wait, so you mean say na eye service I dey do on top of this?
Nah, you know they do eye service. You know they do eye service?
So you mean I be hypocrite?
I know say, you know they do eye service?
No, wait. Talk the one when I understand, though. You mean I be hypocrite?
Make we leave am for the pidgin English. You be na eye service you dey do.
Continue. No, just continue.
Sometimes once you don't they do this your body, like just they feel for you say, blast I don't hit them at the wrong place. You just they do like say you won't cry.
This is argumentum ad hominem. You dey tackle my personality. They tell me say me I be hypocrite. I dey do eye service on top of the show because I'm speaking the truth and telling Nigerians.
Okay, fine.
Now you be the same person when to say you dey against women. Say you know he say he dey okay to marry to marry small pikin as wife. Now you be the same person when come and talk say woman never reach to become president. Now you be the same person when come and talk say Nigerian police when they go strike on election day. Now you be the same person when come and talk say people when they call they don't know wetin they talk. This Obasi when they come from Sokoto now, you don't tell me before say he know they talk the right thing.
Hey!
Oga Obasi, good morning.
Hey!
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Obasi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
No hear wetin Chukwu dey talk o.
You see am?
God bless all of you.
Thank you very much.
You see, this program, una dey hold us for ways so.
Thank you.
Even from office, we dey rush out to come here on.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. We are happy.
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
You don't hear the matter will drop on ground now.
Wait now, before I put mouth. Okay. If we get una personal phone numbers, now so we could pump credit here.
Okay.
People plenty here. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now to chook mouth. You see, we have to be careful. This is Nigeria. It's not America. We have to be careful in whatever we are doing. Just few days ago, when I see some students, they go take a jump. Some people who are praying, we never see television before. They never get computer for their house. Federal government jump something, say make them start their exam with computer. Some people don't even know how to open.
Thank you very much.
You understand? So this election, we are doing presidential election and governorship on this year. Is the hottest I've ever seen.
Thank you.
It's very hot. Some people get bad mind. Some people get, they already know that they are going to fail. They don't want this something to go well. We are not supposed to start experimenting. This is something that somebody will come, sharp. You vote, get away, go for your house, go listen to the result. Now, in the subject us now, say we're going to try. Me, when they talk to you, I work in the bank. I know what it means. It has to go with network.
Thank you.
Network will not be there. Then go say, hold on, generator will not be there to local areas. You understand? They go say they are waiting for generator or petrol, no day. You know? So it will create problem. Let us just do this something without this reading card and experiment it small and see how workable it is.
Oga Obasi, thank you very, very much.
Oga Obasi, thank you.
Very, very
and
much.
we go take this opportunity to appreciate
yes.
Una when they make out time to watch as they hot. We go beg una be the only support we will get. Make una continue to watch am and they give us una support.
We'll get another Ogbonge caller, one of our regular callers. Mr. Igor.
Oga Okubi.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Okubi. The comrade, I greet you.
I greet you too.
Oga Shukudi, all the way transformation, I greet you.
I greet you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oga Okubi, why you dey against the minister? Why you dey against the minister? I want to tell you. That's the first question I go ask you. A great minister for that matter. See, where they can't fish, they no go count crayfish.
Thank you. Even though fish na in surname, they no go count them.
They no go count them. So now the man a better minister, na very nice person. So leave and make it work. They're down to the card reader. The card reader, you know, if you work for Nigeria, you know why it could be.
Why not they realize that one now?
Excuse me, listen to him.
Wait now. One, you know, so the time when they introduce ATM cards, where they withdraw money for machine, you think to that time, when they introduce that, how many people get at that time?
Thank you.
It take many people time. And advert what they do.
Advertisement.
So people say, see the way they use that. Because many people think this and say, if you get ATM card, somebody people tip your money that
Thank
time.
you.
So it takes people time before they start to understand say ATM good.
Thank
so
you.
now when they want to do this card there, it takes America more than 200 years.
Thank you very much.
But Nigeria just start. So if you bring this card reader, many
so
people
make they wait for that one after 50 years.
Many people they fear now where the other state, we run go back to another state. They don't go vote. You dey get me? So me, you know, maybe they just this carry the leave, maybe na next election.
Thank you very much, Oga Igbo.
Oga Igbo, thank you very much.
From waiting he go talk.
No,
I ask you this question.
No, ask me.
Why
I
even use card reader for Edo State? We don't do 5 elections
the question
for different
is,
states.
why not don't they realize them now? Why not not complain about this one? Why now?
11th at the 11th
hour.
3 weeks after we supposed to do election for this country.
Now
you the test card reader. Not be February 14 we supposed to do the first election.
Yes.
3 weeks later you call the test card reader. Card reader where you know test for Edo, for Ondo, for Anambra, for Ekiti, for Osun.
What is the job of the Mr. President?
You want to test with a great election?
Okay, he hand over job to you.
Thank you very much.
She's not supposed to make the monitor what they do.
Thank you very much.
To an extent. So at least if you are doing it well, you will say yes, you are doing it well.
Independent National Electoral Commission. We will ask you question. We go ask you question if you don't do what you're supposed to do. Who could be tell yourself the truth?
It is rather
Why
unfortunate.
do you want to test card reader with this election?
It is rather unfortunate.
Why you want test card reader with this election?
All this cry where they cry, don't they too late?
How you take day too late?
You don't day too late.
Am I not a Nigerian?
I am a Nigerian.
I don't
because
think so.
Because this cry, they cry. It just like where Pekin go school. They don't tell and say, hey, they read your book. Okay, before we collect this call from Solomon. Solomon, they call us from Port Harcourt. Good morning, Solomon.
Nkubi.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes.
Chikudi.
Good morning, Oga Solomon.
Good morning. How are you?
We dey fine, sir. Now Nkubi just they make you know what talk
no buying your contract. Oga Solomon talk, Joe.
No mind now.
Thank you. Tell her.
What I want to tell you, Nkubi.
Yes.
This election, now Obunge election.
Thank you. No time for experiment.
There's nothing like the experiment.
Experiment. With this election.
They know they use this car reader for Osun State.
Thank you. Ekiti.
Let's see how it goes.
Edo, Anambra.
You go to Anambra.
Why now? Why not they realize that one?
Let him talk.
The Obunge election like this, the train car reader.
You want to try card reader.
Eh? Okay, let me tell you number 2. You know, we say the PDP where they shout. If PDP win with this card reader, like I tell you, nobody sure say this party no one, this party won. Make them do the right thing.
Thank you.
Do them well. This technology, many people no sabi.
They no sabi. There's no information. There's no information.
No work. You have to do this thing. People could get there used to before you can do a bunge election.
Thank you.
That's what I should tell you. So this one no be sentiment. This one no be say person they fear, make person no rig, make person rig.
Oh.
Thank you very much,
Oga Solomon, you are wise. He get reason why they name you. He get reason why they name you Solomon, and I believe in that.
So back, okay, we'll get another caller from Kaduna. Sulaiman. Oga Sulaiman, good morning. Oga Sulaiman. I beg, Oga Sulaiman, talk now.
You see him?
Oga Sulaiman, talk now.
This thing follow for the network when we dey talk. He follow for the network when we dey talk. You see him? He follow for the network when we dey talk.
Under your government.
Talk wetin answer Oga Obasi question. If network no dey, if bar no full, if generator no dey, because you go need generator. What about people when they live for inside?
My question and my response, my reply to this same thing.
That we should experiment with this election.
Chukudi.
Who could be you dey tell Nigeria? Who could be look Nigeria for the eyeball? Tell them say make they experiment with this election.
Go back. This election was told.
Everybody know.
INEC don't put things in place. Okay, see what we will take. No. Because we don't already hear, okay, rumors say, okay, people want they plan to rig, people they plan. So what they again expect? Then they bring in things we go and show, say, this thing, no matter how, and they don't even carry out the conduct test.
If those things
sure, say, yes, this thing, they're 100%
one
strong.
Person, 5 minutes to register one person.
Chukudi,
5 minutes to accredit one person with card reader.
It just depends.
From what they show,
from all indications,
only 320 people. Now in 5.5 hours, from 8 o'clock to 1:30. Now only 320 people now they use card reader because now 5 minutes for one person. Who could be? Why must we experiment with this election? Who could be? INEC had 4 years. 4 years now they get to try out this card reader.
You know I'm surprised. I didn't surprised saying that you they even talk like
because
this.
I'm a defender of the people.
I didn't surprised saying that they talk like this.
I'm defending Nigerians.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkovi.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chokodi.
Good morning. Okay, I bet no verse. So this I want just talk and quickly say we don't miss your voice well, and as you just call us, our body don't calm down.
Now anyway, me I no talk. Okay, right on.
I want you more small.
Yes.
What thing I want to be say, Mr. Chokodi, be like say I know there by your side today.
Thank you. Hey, okay. We go kick Christmas. That is Easter. This Easter we will kick goat for you. Hey, Chokodi.
What I want you to be say. This carried off a thing. People don't they go for the practice.
Yes.
people who want to do the elections work, they go for the practice.
Yeah, so.
Formerly, we know they use cell phone. We know they use them.
Oh.
But now we are used to that. So we must start from somewhere.
Thank you very much.
So no be something where we see whether I go. I don't see any magumago inside. Go work out. Many
you go work. It will work out.
You go work. It will work out.
Yes.
So I believe in that. So maybe
yes.
just use them.
Okay. First time in history you go even take my side. Hey, Jehovah, thank you.
Yeah, because today you talk truth. So me, I'd always face truth.
Thank you very much for standing on the truth. Thank you. Hey, Chukudi, don't hear am from your Ogoke has made me a man.
Make we say Ghana.
Ghana, I know say Ghana will just Ghana this issue, and Ghana it very well. Ghana, good morning. Ghana, you there?
Hello. Yes, I did.
Yes, good morning. Would they hear you? Right on.
Good morning, please.
Yes.
Yes, how are you?
Would they fine?
Yes. Thank you for. Yes, I just want to commend you for your program.
Thank you very much.
Una, they do well for this country because your program is gradually exposing so many people in this country. The people who are truthful and the people who are the liars. You are gradually getting to know them because as they talk for that in our side, that's your program. Everybody they talk in mind.
Yes,
see
exactly.
What Nigerians be.
Yes.
So it's left to everybody now to see the kind of people where we get for this country.
Oh.
Well done.
Thank you.
The issue of this card reader where they talk. There is no program that can be perfect, and nobody can be perfect except God. So even if there is heating in I don't want this English where they come into your own now, be like no go like that. You see. So what I just want to say is definitely in some areas, some mistakes will be there. People should accept it. This card reader will help so many people.
Thank you.
Elect the people where they like.
Exactly.
So make people they take it easy. The way some people they talk this thing, say this thing no go work. It no go work. Why should you be the thing where they just want start? They allow people to do this. Please, that is just my contribution.
Thank you very much, Oga Ghana. You have done justice to this matter, Chikudi. Oga Ghana has done justice to this matter. Oga Bin, I know say you also do justice to this matter. Please, thank you. Oga Bin, good morning.
Hey, Chikudi, good morning.
Yes.
Chikudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bin.
This Kalia of the team, you hear me?
Yes.
This Kalia of the team. People when they say network or battery, I don't come talk and say this battery will last for 17 hours. So how many hours they take us when we use the card 6 hours. And the issue of network, the card reader has nothing to do with network.
Thank you.
That is number one.
Thank you.
Because what I heard from INEC was, if network no there for the place, it's just like your phone. If you send text message, if network no there, anytime when you enter where message is, automatically the message will go. Hello?
Yes, we hear you. We hear you.
Automatically the message will go. So this is what they say, maybe they don't use card reader, maybe they don't use card reader. When I give money, maybe they buy the card reader. And I'm a comfort that say they want to use card reader for the first place. When I say, okay, maybe I use that.
Yes.
That's not the one get implication for people.
Thank you.
The postponement of election, when I say INEC not ready, INEC ready.
Thank you.
Because they give certain percentage where each voters get their PVC, the election will proceed. So INEC don't reach that percentage. You understand? So this one where they just say INEC not ready that time, INEC ready that time. And again, those people where say security, who be there? If you say now opposition, who be there when they go say security, no day for this? How many weeks where they not say election will take place for that time? They don't do security now. Now they say security no day. This security shifting election where they do, they want take where maybe they see how they go take hack that card leader. As they not to say they not see card leader, now they call the do it.
Oga Bin, thank you very much. In fact, Oga Bin, in fact, you have dissected this matter. Thank you very much.
You see,
Chikudi.
No. I really appreciate. I really appreciate as Nigerians they call the Chukma for this matter.
No, Chikudi, I'm happy.
But I did note things down.
What
and
are you
noting?
when
after we take Yaduni from
Yaduni from Shoshogo, good morning. Oga Yaduni, good morning.
Now, good morning.
Good morning, no.
I better reduce the volume of your television. Make we fit hear you.
Now, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Carry on.
I just enter. I don't know what I discuss. Now, I just want to get.
We dey talk about the controversy wey surround PVC and the card reader thing. Where they say they take, they go dey do it, and they go dey use biometric to check the card reader to know whether it's authentic or not.
What I mean, I don't see anything with bad when inside the card reader now.
Okay.
They don't do. I mean, mock election for like 12 states.
Yes.
I still wonder where some people they criticize the card reader after I don't. When me, I believe say those where they criticize that mock election where they do for 12 states. Now those where they against that card reader. When they against that card reader, you know, imagine those like go there carry card don't know with their own go card there. So the card no go was no go dictate the real owner of what the real owner of the card. So they will come get more they talk rubbish say the card no work. No work. I know so that card na the best option wey they got to protect this election.
Thank you very much, Ogaya Duni.
This card reader now the best way the guy pass perfect this election. When they use card reader. The only thief would say no use card reader. Only thief. Only thing they use that. Now the only way the politician has developed one of developed countries, right? They've used this card reader. You say the car and go one place, no network. Now which they say all network now is the card reader.
Yes, so thank you very much.
They can't go outside no network.
Thank you, Ogaya Duni. Thank you. In fact, anyway, make I not tell you. Make I not tell you what I go promise you, but me and you anyway. Let's just move on. Thank you very much.
All people wait on the call, don't they chook man for this matter. Everybody get their own opinion.
And then they emphasize. For the first time, you could know if we say.
We go rush, enter market. When we come back from this market, we'll continue this our discussion.
I just say, no, Chukudi, you kept quiet.
I don't note them down. Now still the chairman television station Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195 and now Asile Hot where we discuss all the issues where they come on smoke as they concern you inside Obodo, Nigeria. Unkubi.
Yes.
Simple.
Simple way.
Don't
say simple because you they find them already. Difficult to believe. Say people go call to say let us move on with this thing where they do. Let us move on with this card reader thing. Say you know go stop the election from not holding. I will also stop people from not voting.
I dey happy say Nigerians they call. And I must give the credit to the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. We don't allow for freedom of expression, not just on paper but in practice.
But wait.
Say me and you sit down here today. We discuss card reader issues.
So what they going to talk?
Say, say this government
they don't get the right to talk. Say you go arrest them or waiting.
Everybody get freedom to express themselves. But we know say that this government now they more receptive.
You could address on the issue.
Thank you very much.
Forget.
Yes, Bin call. He talk say if you go remote places where we say network no day. Say if they use them. If you can't come out, no. If you can't come out, go where network day. Say the thing go come back. Now that statement in itself don't open chances of Uruwuru and Magomago. What are they insist now? Say 2011, when we say we do election for this country, when President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan win am without the card reader, people still come and talk say Magomago day, Uruwuru day, Yamayama day. Now we get 5 states where they do elections, but they don't use card reader. Now this election they come one test run card reader. When you test for 5 states, they come say no.
Joseph, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Joseph.
Good morning, Inkubi.
Yes. We hear you.
What of your brother? The other one.
You don't want to talk. They don't fire him today. Fire him.
Hi.
That is it. Hi.
You gallant. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Gallant. I bet the way you hold ground, don't ever shift ground.
I know they shift ground go anywhere. I bet gallant.
Because they are with people like you. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Make them by God's grace.
Thank you.
See, these people, now them they talk of transformation, isn't it?
Yes.
They always tell us transformation, so that we can graduate from old system to new innovation.
Thank you very much.
Me, I come to wonder why these people, when they come, they carry shoulder off, say they don't transform Nigeria. Now, when they come bring this electric train, we complain.
No.
We complain for the kind of people when we go lost for that road.
No.
When they transform our airport, bring computers all over, do we complain?
No.
Thank God for all these things when you mention. Thank God for all these things when you mention. And yet people go talk say our president don't work. Now you mention now. Continue.
Hold we your fire. Hold your fire first.
Continue. I don't tell you wetin you mention. Continue. After people go say Oga President don't know the work, and he just they give
hold on.
We any better thing will come to our country, we they accept it with good faith.
Thank you very much.
We they pray and we still they pray for them, isn't it?
Right on there, to finish your statement.
Now, Oga Jega, the man of God, come see say this transformation is better thing. Him too, you know, go lag behind, isn't it? He can say, okay, now we they use all system. So take Ghana, Sierra Leone, and some other African countries, they use this card reader. We they lag behind the giant Africa. Yes. The mother of Africa now is say, okay, we too make we transform from all system to
new system.
New innovation, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, to my greatest surprise now, see the PDP, how then they shift, they run, they damage this angle, they damage another angle. Say they know one because they never win election in free and fair ground.
Oh, Oga Joseph. Oh, Oga Joseph. In fact, that Joseph where you be, now they be they go. That is you are just that is Joseph the son of Jacob.
Joseph when no be Joseph when they prison.
No. This one Joseph the son of Jacob. Every say where they say he come become gallant man from that side.
Thank you very
much.
Now
in this Joseph they represent. Oga Joseph, thank you very much for speaking the voice of Nigeria.
And now under the government of this good luck Jonathan.
No, the answer to Joseph matter. Transformation, that is your watchword. Yes. Okay, Jega say he wants stick to transformation.
No, maybe we take Emmanuel first from Lagos. After Emmanuel, I go answer your question. Okay, Emmanuel, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Emmanuel, good morning.
Oga Chikuli, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Inkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
The problem with this country is say we know that they critical with issues.
Thank you. Critical, that's the key word.
Hold on.
The fears of Nigerians now not be whether the card they good or not, but it did the right owners and
thank you.
That is the question. So now ask myself.
Thank you.
I wish not to thumbprint now. Say you go there, you thumbprint and the machine go read your thumbprinting. That are different case. Now we no say they no film do mago, but this one now not be thumbprinting now. The card now. So
it
another person can hold another person card. So you see the fears of Nigerians.
Thank you.
So this election, not be waiting we will take do those trials.
Experiment, trial and
whether
error.
you like it or not, network will certainly network problem will always come in.
Thank you. Power.
So because there's somewhere for 1 hour, they know if they register one person, then you can go buy fuel. And there are some places where people don't know computer. How you want to treat their own matter?
Oh. Why they not address all these things?
Why INEC no?
Why did Mr.
President
do enlightenment?
Why INEC no do enlightenment? How many Nigerians educate? Continue, Emmanuel.
It is never too late to retrace our steps.
Thank you.
Instead of us to make a greater mistake, it's never too late to retrace our steps. Because the way the thing they go now, I know people, my own brother, he don't go collect the card since he never still collect.
Can you see?
What if that card there with somebody will call up our votes?
Oh.
So those are things we will consider, not be say. So now we I just want to more critical, irrespective of our political affiliation.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel. Thank you very much, okay, Emmanuel. You don't sum up all the things when we talk.
You don't sum up anything.
Let us be critical.
Thank you, Emmanuel.
Let us be critical. Let us ask questions.
Emmanuel don't give you liver.
2011.
People call all the people wake up. All the people wake up. Wait to make you no talk.
They say na Ojoro.
Oga Isa. Oh, Oga Isa, thank you for calling. Good morning.
Good morning, Ikubi.
Yes.
Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Isa.
This issue of cardinal. No be matter of say na try and error.
Yes.
They don't give una assurance say this thing will work.
Yes.
100% assurance say it will work. And
yes.
they don't say it will work. I don't see the way people go to panic about this issue.
Okay, they don't use this card reader for field.
Okay, it's right on your let and talk.
That's the question.
Don't ask him that question. Talk, finish
That's
up.
the question. 5 states elections in the last 4 years.
Chukudi,
They don't use card reader. That's the question.
Chukudi.
Hello?
Yeah, we hear you.
Number 2 again. Don't imitate this card reader. They get fake card readers.
Oh, you see, oh.
Somebody like me now, maybe I get the original card reader. I should go print like 2 again.
You see, you dey hear them?
Come the same point, you come vote it out. But as it say this card reader goes, the main issue, reason of this card reader, you go authenticate, say this card reader they valid. Number 1. Secondly, again, they say people know study computer. Not the people who operate the computer, not the people who come vote go operate the card reader. First you go operate and already know what it is.
If the person get bad mind, don't go.
Thank you very much, Ogaisa. In fact, Ogaisa, thank you for rounding up this call and for also being our last caller for today. Chukudi. There's no point arguing with
Everybody don't talk. People don't talk.
People don't call.
We appreciate
I know the strength of
people
people.
who get their different opinions. They don't chook mouth for this matter. And the government of Jonathan, now allow people to talk what they want to talk.
Card reader or no card, say the card reader no
We
bad
always
idea.
talk on top of this our program. Say Nigeria no be anybody personal estate. E no go spoil. Irrespective of your political affiliation, whether na here you dey or na there you dey. Remember, say Nigeria and our country, and all of us get this country, and all of us go put our hand together to carry this our country go up. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic where they come out smoke. This na as e dey hot. Unkubi tell them about
yes, as e dey hot. And me, now peace I go continue to dey pledge. For this election where they come, peace. I beg, may I just carry them out in peace and in unity, nothing else.
Before, no pledge peace now.
Till tomorrow.
No pledge peace, may police carry you.
Why
no pledge. Under the government of good luck, Jonathan. Please don't.